Meaning of Indo.
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 Indo. The prefix Indo- comes from the Greek word Indos, meaning Indian. It is used to describe things that originate or are related to India. For instance, Indo-European refers to languages that arose from a common root in India and Europe, while Indo-Pacific describes the region that encompasses the Indian Ocean and the Western and Central Pacific Ocean. The prefix has been widely used in a variety of fields, including linguistics, politics, geography, and culture. Its usage reflects the strong and enduring influence of Indian civilization on global affairs.